Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're taking a close look at two products from Kerasal that promise to tackle nail issues many of us are all too familiar with: discoloration, thickness, and general damage. Whether you're dealing with nails that have seen better days, or you just want to give your nails a little extra TLC, Kerasal's Nail Renewal and Multi-Purpose Nail Repair could be the solution you've been searching for. But do they actually work as promised? Let's find out. Now, I've had the chance to test both the Kerasal Nail Renewal and the Multi-Purpose Nail Repair, which come together in this set. These two products are designed with keratolytic properties, meaning they help break down the keratin in the nail plate, making it easier for other ingredients to penetrate and work their magic. The active ingredients in these formulations are urea, propylene glycol, and lactic acid. If you're into beauty science like I am, you'll recognize these ingredients for their ability to deeply hydrate, exfoliate, and improve skin texture. But let's dive into how these work for nails specifically. The Kerasal Nail Renewal is a treatment aimed at reducing nail discoloration and thickening. It's applied directly to the affected nails, and you're instructed to use it daily for the best results. I personally found that the texture of the product is very light and absorbs quickly, which is a plus for those who want something easy to incorporate into their daily routine without feeling greasy or heavy. Now, moving on to the Kerasal Multi-Purpose Nail Repair. This product targets a wider range of nail concerns, including discoloration, thickness, and general damage. It also promises to smooth out the nail surface while offering some hydration. I noticed that after a few uses, my nails looked smoother and they weren't as rough or cracked. The added hydration, courtesy of propylene glycol, is key here, especially if you have nails that tend to dry out or break easily. Both products are easy to apply, and I appreciate the packaging. They're small enough to fit in a handbag for quick touch-ups on the go. While the formula is designed for daily use, I was pleasantly surprised that it didn't feel like an extra burden to apply it each day. It's not like some other treatments that feel sticky or leave residue. Instead, these products absorb pretty seamlessly into the nails, which I think is one of their biggest advantages. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, these treatments are quite effective at improving the appearance of nails that have been damaged by things like frequent nail polish use or environmental stress. They help with hydration and smoothing, which are both major benefits when dealing with rough, brittle nails. On the flip side, the biggest downside I noticed was that it requires consistent use to see real results. So if you're expecting quick fixes, you may need to adjust your expectations. Additionally, while it does work well to smooth out the nail surface, the discoloration reduction isn't instant. It takes a bit of time to see improvement in that area. When it comes to value for money, this set is fairly priced given the ingredients and how well it works. Urea and lactic acid are both excellent at helping to exfoliate the nails, and propylene glycol is great for hydration. If you've ever bought single-use treatments or fancy nail oils, you'll find that the price point here is quite reasonable, especially considering that you're getting a set that tackles multiple issues. I'd say it's worth it for those who need consistent, long-term nail care. Comparing it to other nail repair products on the market, Kerasal stands out with its combination of keratolytic and hydrating properties. Other treatments may claim to reduce nail thickness or discoloration, but few go this deep into the nail plate for such thorough repair. The unique combination of urea and lactic acid really sets it apart from other products that may only offer temporary cosmetic benefits. In terms of build quality, the packaging is functional and leak-proof, which is crucial for a product you may want to toss into your bag. The product's longevity, though, depends on how consistently you use it. It's not a product that works overnight, but after a couple of weeks of regular use, you should see a noticeable difference. For anyone dealing with nail issues over time, this could be a game changer. So, who should use this product? If you're someone who's been struggling with discolored thick nails or nails that seem to just break easily, no matter what you do, this could be an effective solution for you. It's also a great option for those looking for a reliable, no-fuss treatment to incorporate into their routine. However, If you're expecting an instant fix, you may want to look elsewhere as the benefits build over time. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review like this one. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best product insights. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, beauty starts with healthy nails. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.